Hi, Rich Eady with Wild Birds Unlimited on Barker Cypress and on Memorial Drive. We always talk about being seasonally savvy when it comes to backyard bird feeding. No longer do we just offer, just the black oil sunflower seed. And why is that? Well, birds have different needs at different times of the year. Take our FeatherPro. FeatherPro is a formulation that is targeted for birds as we move from nesting into the molt. What is a molt, you say? Birds actually replace their feathers every fall. That means that the old feathers are going to fall off and they're going to get new feathers. It's important to get healthy new feathers as they work their way towards the winter months. So our FeatherPro is formulated to take care of just that. Not only does it have a lot of protein and fat, it's also got calcium to help them develop those new feathers. It contains bark butter bits, which is a great healthy fat. And also it has both peanut halves and chopped peanuts. Why is that important? Well, the smaller birds love peanuts, but eating the peanut halves is a little bit more difficult. So they put tiny pieces of peanuts in there for our smaller birds. So you can use either the loose blend like this in our 7-pound bags, but we also have it in our seed cylinders in both the regular and in the hot pepper. Now you might be asking, why hot pepper? Well, hot pepper is going to keep your squirrels from eating the cylinder. It's coated in a hot chili oil, just like our other hot pepper products. That way the squirrels will leave it alone and you can put it out and let the birds enjoy. So, getting ready for fall, FeatherPro is a great go-to blend to add into your feeding rotation as we work our way toward the winter months.